Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And the long awaited long ride is finally here. So I'm riding with two other bikers, three other bikers basically. So one is Racer Chick 11 and Clutchless, and also one more friend of our group only, Philip. So there is going to be a Ninja 300, a Duke 390, and a Daytona on the ride, apart from my beast, which is fully loaded with luggage, Axor, GV, tank bag, saddle bag, tail bag, and this is a beautiful matte black helmet that I'm wearing on the ride. I've already mounted my Senna and stuff. It's doing a brilliant job. I just tested it out, and yes, so about to leave to Jog Falls via Mundgod, and the stay for the night is at Jog. And I think tomorrow we'll be heading from Jog towards Karwar and eventually Dandeli, and staying the night at Dandeli tomorrow, and then head back to Belgaum. So watch the full series of the episode of the journey, and I think it'll be multiple videos because it's a very long ride, around 650 kilometers round trip, and I'll try to cover most of the beautiful landscape en route. And I've already done the Jog Falls in my car, but the road is so beautiful from Jog to Honavar, the NH69, that I wanted to do it again, and luckily Axor has given me an opportunity to do it again. So yes, awaiting a beautiful adventure now. So let me catch you back on the road. See you. So just about to leave. So after a lot of delays, finally we're leaving, and we'll be fueling up on the highway and proceeding towards Mundgod. So see you. So we just filled up our bikes with some fuel, and the next 250-300 kilometers of adventure awaits us. We'll be going to Dharwad, and from Dharwad towards Kalgadgi Road, and Kalgadgi, Mundgod, and then from Mundgod to Jog, which is all a single lane. And I don't know very well how good the condition of the roads are. So last time I had been in the Polo, but driving back in a car is way different than driving on a bike, especially with a pillion. So let's see how this roads are, and because up to Dharwad we have proper 4 lane. So we are cruising now 140, 150, and I'm having a pillion, my wife, and that is why I'm a bit slow, but बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. It's fun when you have your other half as your pillion, your better half as your pillion, because you get to connect and talk on a lot of things when you are especially on a Senna. So आराम से मज़े लेते चिट चैट करते हम जा रहे हैं. In front of me on the 390 is Clutchless, and Racer Chick 11 is just behind the Daytona, and she is doing a crazy job on the Ninja 300. It doesn't seem like she's riding a 300, but she's keeping up with she's keeping up with everyone without any trouble. Clutchless, famous for his corners, he is trying to lean into everything, and just following them on a safe distance. if you can hear me, but this is the Malaprabha River Bridge here. So if you have seen one of my previous videos, I had gone to a beautiful hill location, and that was the birthplace of this river. So this is the bridge, and that river flows by down. It goes down to down south. So let me get back to the ride now. This ride is for Axor basically, and they are launching a new range of jackets, and all I can say is the jackets are beautiful. I'm wearing the Axor touring jacket, and it's a fully 100% waterproof jacket, and even the zippers are waterproof. And my wife is also wearing one of the jackets. I'll check on the name, and I'll check out the jacket also properly, and I'll give a detailed introduction and a review about it. So I'll also get back onto my jacket and its features as and how the ride progresses. I'll keep telling you small details about this beautiful jacket. So see you in a bit. So we have reached Munkod, and sadly, if you have seen the Insta footage, my GoPro mount came off because of the heavy rains, and I didn't have time to fix the mount back. So we are trying to get our bikes into the monastery, into the compound, to click some good photos and keep moving. But by the time we reach Jog, I think it will be dark and late night, so there would be no point in using the GoPro to vlog anything anymore. But still, I'll at least try to fix it to my helmet if we have a refreshment break as such. So if I get a chance to take the bike inside, I'll take and I'll shoot a few good pictures. So that is my wife. So that's Deepak, touchless.
Yeah, hi.
He has been doing a fantastic job riding the 390, and he's taking it left, right and center, and even on the crazy difficult corners and narrow lanes he's been trying to put his knee down. That's what he does. So yeah, crazy rider. So this is a beautiful white Daytona which is not white anymore. So chalo, let me try to go inside and see what can be done. So just entered the Tibetan monastery at Mundgod, and it's already getting dark. I doubt we'll be allowed inside. We wanted to actually take our bikes in. So this is what the monastery is, and it's a very beautiful place. So it'll be pretty late in the night by the time we reach Jog, so there will be no view as such which I'll be able to capture tonight or today, but I guess tomorrow morning there will be some beautiful sights to see. So finally reached our hotel, Prakruti Yatri Niwas. It's I think 12 or 12:30 in the night right now, and I'm not able to remove the GoPro to vlog on it, so vlogging on my phone, and there's not much of footage captured today on today's ride because my GoPro mount fell off and I was not able to do anything. So I hope tomorrow we'll have some good footage of all the stuff. So see you tomorrow then. Bye bye.